Hi guys, Fluffy and welcome back to TechBeatPH.com, and we're here to review the Anker Soundcore Mini 2. So this is a portable speaker which is waterproof, so do stick around the video and see if this is the speaker for you.
Before unboxing the Anker Soundcore Mini 2, let's first look at what it says in the box. It says it's waterproof and it can transmit in between speakers. Now ripping off that satisfying feeling of opening the box for the first time. Opening up the box, we can first see the documentation that comes along with the Soundcore Mini 2. Opening the small box underneath the main packaging, we can see here the charging cable that comes with the speaker. Now let's open up the star of the show. As you can see here, this is the Soundcore Mini 2. It has an amazing, very sturdy construction, very nice premium feel to the touch. The control buttons are embossed and you can clearly see it. As you can see here, let's turn it on. Now let's put the speaker through its paces. That was the actual sound coming from the speaker. Let's hear another sample.
So there you have it, our latest review of the Soundcore Mini 2. So here at TechBeatPH.com, give this the silver rating for its impeccable sound, waterproof capabilities, and the ability to transport and call via Bluetooth. So if you're new to the channel, please consider giving this a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and click that notification bell icon for more coming from TechBeatPH.com.